How to create and edit pages in Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So first, in order to create a page, a new page, you simply just want to log into your Shopify admin, go to online store and click on pages. Once you are in this page, you simply just want to click on add page from the top right corner. You're going to start off by giving it a title, so you can just go in and name it whatever you want it to be. And then we are just going to go ahead and select whether we want it to be visible or hidden from the top right corner. Also, we are just going to click on save. So now editing a page is, well, basically we can just go back to this section here to find any page that we have. So for example, let's just click on this new one and click on visible. I'm just going to make it visible. I mean, you can just keep it hidden, it's up to you. But there are two different ways to add content in a specific page. It's either with the editor, so we can add sections like slideshows, image with text, that kind of stuff. Or we can just use this right here, which is the main way actually. So aside from that, we're just also going to be able to adjust the meta title and description from this right here, search engine listing. If we click on edit, we're going to be able to add a specific the meta title for this page, and also the description, and also the URL handle to it. All of this is going to be within this section. So for the content, you could just feel free to add the whatever content that you actually want here. So you can just add a title. Below it, you can just add some paragraph, and then you can even add images or even videos if you want to. You have the ability to really play around with this when it comes to formatting and all types of stuff. And you can even add HTML code here if you would like. So all of this is going to be available, and if you click on save and view, you're just going to be able to find everything in this specific page, and it's only going to be for this page. Now if you click on edit theme and go to this specific page, now we're just going to add some elements to it. For example, if we add a specific section, and by the way, if you just open up the editor to go to the default page, you simply just click on the top, click on pages, and select default page. Okay, so once you're in here, you can feel free to start adding sections by clicking on template, add section, and let's say we can just add let's say a slideshow full frame. But here's the thing, if you add sections within the editor, it's going to apply to every single default page that you actually create. So if you want it to be specific to individual pages, in that case, you will need to use templates. To create a template, you just basically go to the top, click on that, click on pages, and click on create template, and you can just name it as the same name of the page. So page 1, create template. Then you would want to start adding sections like so, and click on save. Lastly, you simply just want to exit out of here, and to apply the changes, you simply just go back to the pages section, open up the page that you want to apply the adjustments to. You will find template. You simply select page 1 template, which we have just created, and click on save. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.